You've decided to take home the 2016 Nissan Rogue. Congratulations! So, what's the next step? How do you personalize your 2016 Nissan Rogue? A vast array of genuine Nissan accessories are available for just that. The 2016 Rogue's exterior feature options include roof rails, splash guards, cosmetic enhancements, and much more. There's even a tent for your outdoor adventures. Inside, options range from protection accessories, safety supplies, emergency kits, and storage systems to convenience features like the auto-dimming rear-view mirror with HomeLink and built-in compass. Feature availability varies based on selected trim level. All genuine Nissan accessories are custom fit, custom designed, and durability tested. They're even backed by Nissan's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, whichever comes first. That's just for starters. Explore everything the 2016 Nissan Rogue offers at Chris Myers Nissan in Mobile today.